Hello, in this video we'll be estimating how much does the YouTube channel Itchy Boots make. To get some statistics on her channel, we'll be using Social Blade. Thus far, she has uploaded 294 videos and amassed a subscriber count of 729,000. And her video views to date is 98,800,811. And her channel was created back in November 21st, 2018. And to get an estimate of how much she's earning, we'll be using the YouTube money calculator. And we'll be estimating that her CPM is $4. And by the way, the CPM stands for cost per thousand views. And this is the amount of money that a YouTuber gets paid for every 1,000 views that a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate as it can go from anywhere from $1 to up to $10 or $20 or even more, as it all depends on the country that the video is being watched in, how long does a viewer end up watching an ad for, and also if the viewer ends up clicking on the ad. But with an estimated CPM of $4 and her daily view count being 126,000, she'll be earning $504 per day. But this is before YouTube takes their cut of 45%, leaving her with $277, and for the month she'll be earning $8,316, and for the year $99,792.